Are you an author, a writer, a student, a young man or woman, or someone who want to exploit the depth of creativity that is around and within this ecosystem? Now, for as many who have written books or who want to exploit the areas of writing books and selling on Amazon, we are going to take you on a free class. We are going to know the processes and how to go about it. So, Obinna Ogba TV shall explore the richness of Crystal Creative Network activities, for which you will learn free of charge how to make money with your writing skills. Now, what do you need for a start? You need a smartphone. You need to have a smartphone. You also need to have an internet connection. You also need a Gmail account. And what are some of the apps you also need to carry on these activities for a start? You need a Canva app. You need a Chrome browser. You need a Kiwi browser. You also need a Google Docs and Google Authenticators. As we unfold gradually, you start knowing other apps that you need to get on with completing your book publication. So the next phase we are going to come in, it will be how to register your Amazon KDP account, and we're also going to take you on how to link it with a US account and your Nigerian bank account. Thank you very much. Follow us on YouTube, Obinna Ogba TV, to learn more and explore the richness of being a writer.